You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals 2 over 3. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Break up the fraction. Find the greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator. Factor out and cancel the greatest common factor. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by 3x. Expand the parentheses. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Multiply by 0. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 1 from both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 2 over negative 3. Move the negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Cancel out the negatives. And so the final result is x equals 2 over 3.